so today I'm finally filming my college apartment tour and I'm so excited to show you guys. My apartment isn't like the nicest apartment that you can get here at U of A, but I personally love it. It's like super homey and I've been really enjoying living here so far. And this video is sponsored by Dorm Essentials, so if you guys want to get any more information about college and your dorm and all these tips that you guys need, I'll have them linked down below so you guys can check them out. And let's just go ahead and get into the video. Okay, so when you walk into my apartment, this is what it looks like. On the side we have this little light here. I'll turn it on. This like LED light that we got, so that way when we like host like parties at night and stuff, it's like super cute. But this is just an overview of my apartment when you walk in. To the right is our kitchen, obviously, and we did decorate for Halloween, so that's why we have a lot of like Halloween decor. So this is just our island, and I just got Starbucks, so don't mind that. This is an iced pumpkin spice latte with caramel, and I highly recommend it. It's super good. And on this side is where our laundry and washer are. And then we just have some other cleaning supplies and stuff on top. And this is like the rest of our kitchen. So these speakers, I actually got them sent to me by One by One. You guys can actually get these speakers for free also. If you guys click the link down below, you guys can just apply. And they have a ton of different electronics that you guys can choose from that you guys can receive for free by just signing up for it. So just click the link down below and you guys can sign up to also get free speakers. And we literally use this every week. Before we go out to the frat parties, we love to blast music, so these have been really nice for that. And then just like more Halloween little towels, the microwave. And we didn't know how to make those sticks, so that's why we just have duct tape on them. And then we have another Halloween pun up here on our letter wall that we change pretty often. And then this is just our living room. Over here we have our TV, more Halloween decorations. I'm pretty sure these are lights too. So yeah, we have those. And then our TV, which is super nice that it came with a TV and cable. So that's really nice to have. And then over here we have our other Halloween decorations. So we have this pumpkin that we have filled with like chocolates, and then these little pumpkins that my friend had, and then that boo thing. And then I got a fall candle, caramel apple. It's super good. And then on the bottom, like we have a Wii, so we have all the games down there. And then over here, this is our balcony. So I won't take you guys out there, but we have lights around it that we also, let me show you. It just like really makes the room super cute when we like have people over at night. And then those other trick-or-treat lights. So it's really pretty. And then on the wall here, my roommate made these. And then I got this rug from Ross, I believe. And then we just have blankets on our couches. Another Halloween decoration. We had this one hung up on this wall, but it kept falling down. But this also lights up. And then over here is where my two other roommates live. There's like a bunch of shadows, so sorry. So yeah, that's just the main living space that we have. And then over here, we have like two double doors that lead us to me and my other roommates' rooms. So over here, we share a bathroom. So we have our two sinks, and then we got this runner rug from Target. So if you guys have like double sinks, it's like super nice to have just one rug, because buying them individually is pretty expensive. So we just got the one rug, and it's pink. I've never had my own sink before, so I've really been enjoying having mine. Mine's obviously the one that's pink. So yeah, we share our sinks. And then over here is our shower and toilet. This is what our bathroom looks like. So yeah, I showed this in my apartment haul. We got that from Urban Outfitters, and then I got that from Target. So that's our shower in there. There's the toilet, and then we have a trash. But yeah, it's pretty nice and spacious, and then having like our own sinks and stuff is like really nice to separate. Like if one of us is showering, the other one could be getting ready out here. So that's really nice. And then over here is my room. And on my doors, I have these pictures of me and my friends. So yeah, this is what my room looks like when you first enter it. Then I have a whole long mirror right here so I can see what I'm wearing and stuff. And then on this wall, I have all of my pictures with all of my friends on here of this collage that I made. Yeah, I want to continue adding to it throughout the year just so it's like more filled up with all of my friends, but this is just what it looks like. And I love looking at it because I sleep right there, so I love being able to see it. And then these lights I got from Amazon, and it literally makes the room so much better because the walls in this apartment, I really wish it was white or at least beige, but it's like this weird yellow off-white color. So that just really makes the walls look nicer, and I have so much wall space in my room, so that's like the overview of it, that like I was like didn't know what to put on the wall, so I got this tapestry from Society 6, then got these lights, and then I strung pictures like I did last year in my dorm, and I think it's like super cute. And then those are the pictures that I have hung up there. And then what's really cool about these lights too is it changes these speeds, so it can like, they can twinkle or they can do that. There's just like a lot of like different speeds that this can go in different settings. But yeah, over here I have this pumpkin cupcake candle. It smells really good. And then I keep my Hydro right here because I always drink water by my bed. And then I have this picture of and frame, and then this little artificial plant. I don't know what to put on this wall, so I still am thinking about that, but it's so bare and it's super annoying. But right here I have my sorority composite right next to my letters, so I'm somewhere on the bottom there. And then I have my calendar that I keep right there just so I can know what I have for the month. And then this is like my desk area. So I have my Alex drawers from IKEA that I have all my makeup in. And then I have my makeup brushes, my glasses, my brush, and then some other things there. And then my Beats pill, and then my mirror that I use for getting ready. Then a light because the lighting in here is really bad, so I always have another light on. And then this I got from Amazon to put on the chair. And then on the bottom I just have like random stuff, and then a trash can. And then right there is my closet, which is kind of messy, so I'm not going to show you. And I usually just keep my backpack on the floor. That's pretty much the big overview of what my room looks like. It's pretty spacious, which is really nice. That's pretty much the end of my apartment tour. I hope you guys enjoyed. If you did, be sure to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe down below if you haven't already. And I'll see y'all in my next video. Bye guys!